talaga siya, medyo strict. Paminsan medyo masungit kapag yun nga, lalo na dun sa youngest namin. Masunurin sa magulang, very fine lady si Nika. Hindi siya yung magaslaw na bata na kung saan-saan mo makikita. Napaka mabait na bata.
I'm feeling good, 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 good. Okay now. Alright, I'm feeling good, good, good.
Happy 18th birthday, Nika!
Happy 18th birthday, Nika!
Feeling good, 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 good. Okay now. Alright, I'm feeling good.
At last, ito na yung pinaghandaan natin ng matagal. Ito na, and I'm so excited to see you later. Happy birthday! I love you!
Come, let's find a place where we can get away. Just spend the day. Dream a dream with me this song.
Happy birthday! Lagi ka lang maniwala sa magagawa ng Panginoon sa buhay mo. And never be afraid to dream big because, you know, as long as kasama mo siya, maabot mo yan. Walang imposible. And be yourself kasi sigurado ako na sapat ka para sa mga taong tunay na nagmamahal sa'yo.
The story's just begun. The story's just begun. It's only chapter one. The best is yet to come. The story's just begun. Just begun. Take my hand and
Being by your side in all these years and di ko akalain na ikaw pa rin hanggang ngayon. It truly shows how genuine you are and true. Kahit magkaiba tayo as a person, halos similar tayo sa maraming bagay and personality based. Wishing you all success and joy with the path you want and may this journey bring more opportunities and fulfillment. Happy birthday!
hold on tight. The story's just begun. The story's just begun. It's only chapter one. The best is yet to come. The story's just begun.
Nak, happy birthday. Wala man ako ngayon sa iyong arawan. Palagi lang ako nandito para sa iyo. Palagi mong tatandaan na mahal kita. I love you. Happy birthday. Mwah.
This is a story. It is yours and it is mine. There's joy in the morning. Future is bright. The story is just
My only wish is that sana good health, long happy life, and maging stronger pa. As for me, anak, kung ano man yung gusto mong marating sa buhay, support kita all the way. With all I can. I love you.
begun.